Hi everyone! Nexprint is now available in ELEGOO Matrix app. Follow along and see how easy it is to browse models and start one-click printing in just a few taps. Open ELEGOO Matrix and now you can explore thousands of amazing models directly in the app. Swipe through the models and choose the one you'd like to print, or search by model name or ID. Once you found a model you like, tap it to continue. Click Next to get started. If you haven't connected your printer yet, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer. Simply scan the QR code and bind your printer in just a few steps. Adjust your print settings and make sure the correct printer is selected. Then click Start Printing. Once everything is set up, your printer will start printing. You can even monitor the process remotely and watch your printer get ready to print. It's that easy. Give it a try today. Choose your favorite model and start printing with just one click. Happy printing!